Hello again, folks. Thought I'd do another giveaway entry, and this one is for Cloud the Great, passing 200 subscribers. He wants us to shout out a locks picking channel, and that is going to be my friend Runesmith, who makes these gorgeous picks. He's also doing some really good content, comparative videos at the moment, so go and check that out. And he also wants us to shout out a knife channel, and for that I'm going to shout out Bando Picks. He's got some really nice knives. He does some giveaways where he gives knives away as well. And yeah, really nice guy, and a vet as well. So go and show him some support and love. And the lock I'm going to pick, it's been a while since I've picked an American lock, to be fair. And let's get rid of this. It's also been a while since I've had a bit of lishi practice. So I thought, well, let's do that. Let's see how we get on. Because it's good to keep all your skills in practice. So, that being said, let's have a little look. Nothing in 6, obviously. Yeah, you have to keep all your skills up to date. Otherwise, they perish. You get rusty. Oh, there we go. There we are. That's for you, Cloud. Thanks ever so much for the giveaway fun. Thank you, everybody, for joining me today. And that's it for now, folks. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.